Instead, E'Twaun Moore. Derek favors a corner three. Yes.
He works on it.
Alexander Walker blocked away by Zubac.
Good to see him step it up and knock it down.
E'Twaun Moore filling it up. Pels back up. He tapped it away from Harrell as well. Smart play by the vet. Holiday all the way to the cup. And the Pels on a run now. Man.
That's really good defense. That's really good defense.
And blocked
really
away
good defense.
on cue.
Help to help early. You saw the moment Montrezl Harrell caught the ball, Drew Holiday was there, which forced another pass.
Verse 3, it works. Drew's on
This
tonight.
is through the roof. That makes that shot a lot easier.
Trapping Lou Williams. And he's getting a layup out of it. He turns the corner. Now going away from the screen. Nobody accounted for Lou Williams again. Reed is perfect.
There's no one that speeds Lou up. And
How about that?
Okay, and last time down, you talked about the...
Holiday with the defense behind him. And nobody's going to defend him. He'll burn him. 9-point game.
Drew will be fine.